Namaskaram. You're watching Shloka IL, a channel dedicated to help you chant better and like a pro. This is a training deck to help you learn, chant, and understand the meanings of shlokas that constitute Lalita Pancharatnam. The literal meaning of Pancharatnam is five jewels or gems. Ratnam means gem. Each and every shloka composed by our own Guru Adi Shankaracharya is compared to a ratnam or a jewel since it's invaluable. There are five shlokas in this series followed by Phalashruti, which is an optional shloka that describes the benefits of chanting Lalita Pancharatnam. Let's get started. Shloka number 1. Pratasmarami lalita vadanarvindam bimbadharam prithulamouktikashobhinasam akarna dirghanayanam manikundalaಢ್ಯಂ ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತಂ ಮೃಗಮದೋಜ್ವಲಭಾಲದೇಶಂ. This shloka describes Ambal's beautiful face. Lalita Pancharatnam should be chanted early in the mornings, and the best time to remember Lalita Ambal is as soon as you wake up. This shlokam describes Ambal's face and the ornaments that she adorns on the face. Pratas smarami. Smarami, early in the morning. I'm thinking about you, Lalita Devi. I'm thinking about your beautiful, I remember rather, your beautiful face. Her rosy pink lips are like the fruit of bimbadharam, okay, bimba fruit. Prithula mauktika shobhinasam, and she adorns a big white shiny pearl on her nose that is beautiful. Akarna dirgha nayanam. Dirgha means wide and big. Nayanam, eyes. So her eyes are bright and they extend up to her ears. Means they are really wide and nice. Manikundaladhyam. So kundalam is the ornament that she adorns on her ears, and it is studded with mani, means precious stones and gems which look beautiful on her. Mandasmitam Mrigamadojwala Bhaladesham. Her forehead is shining because she is wearing the kasturi, which is secreted by, which is the scent that animals secrete. Let me explain the chanting rules. Pratas, hold the is, prataha followed by is will become pratas. Smarami means thinking, and we are thinking about Lalita Devi as soon as we wake up. Vadanarvindam means a beautiful face. Bimbadharam, the bimba fruit, like lips. Prithula mauktika shobhinasam, her nose is beautiful with the big pearl that she adorns. Bimbadharam, bimba, the has to be emphasized. Prithula mauktika shobhi, bhi has to be emphasized. Shobhi nasam. Akarna, it's na ana. Akarna dirgha, gha has to be emphasized. Nayanam manikundaladhyam, dhyam. Mandasmitam mrigamadojwala bhala desham. Bha, Ba has to be the big Bha. Let me chant it one more time to help you learn as we move along. Pratas smarami lalita vadanarvindam bimbadharam prithulamouktikashobhinasam आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यं मन्दस्मितं मृगमदोज्ज्वलभालदेशम्. This tune is familiar to most of you. It is the Suprabhatam tune. The structure of these shlokas fits well into this tune. Let's move on to Ratnam number 2 or Shloka number 2. This is the synopsis of the meaning for you to review offline. Pratar bhajami lalita bhujakalpavallim ratnanguliyya lasadanguli pallavadhyam manikya hema valayangada shobhananam पुण्ड्रेक्षु चापकुसुमेषु श्रीनिर्दधानाम्. Pratar bhajami means early in the mornings. Bhajami, I worship you, Lalita Ambal. Lalita Bhuja Kalpavalli. Bhuja means shoulders. So Lalita Devi's shoulders are compared to the wish granting creeper called Kalpavalli. Her shoulders are beautiful like the Kalpavalli creeper. Ratnanguliya lasadanguli pallavadhyam. Her fingers are like new growth on that creeper. Manikya hema valayanga dashobhananam. Manikya hema, hema is gold. Valayanga, bangles and the armlets that she wears are studded with manikyam, studded with precious stones and gems that look very good on Ambal. Pundrekshu chapa kusumeshu srinir dadhana. So this all describes Ambal's shoulders and the ornaments she adorns on her arms and wrist. Let me explain the chanting rules. Pratar, roll your tongue for ir. Bhajami, me has to be short. It has to be kept short. So don't extend the me or don't drag it too much. Don't say Pratar bhajami, Pratar bhajami. Lalita bhuja, bhuja means shoulder. Kalpavallim. Ratnanguliya lasadanguli pallavadhyam dhyam manikya hema valayangada shobhamanam pundrekshu chapa kusumeshu srinir-dadhanam. Pundrekshu, hold the ik for kshu. Pundrekshu chapa kusumeshu srinir, ni has to be long. Srinir, srinihi followed by da becomes ir. Srinir dadhanam. So this shlokam describes Ambal's shoulders and the ornaments that she adorns on her arms. The next shlokam is, it describes Ambal's face. The first shlokam describes Ambal's face. So as you chant this shlokam, think about Ambal's face, visualize it the way it is described beautifully by Adi Shankaracharya. In the second shloka, the Ambal's shoulders are described, and in the third shloka, Ambal's feet are described. Pratar namami lalita charanaravindam. Charanaravindam means feet. Bhakteштадана niratam bhava sindhupotam. पद्मासनादिसुरनायकपूजनीयम् पद्माङ्कुशध्वजसुदर्शनलाञ्छनाढ्यम् Pratar, early in the morning. Namami, I bow down to you, Lalitambal. I bow down to your feet. Charanaravindam. Charana means feet, Ambal's feet. Bhakteshta Dana Niratam. Bhava Sindhu Potam. So you are the granter of all our wishes and boons. Padma Sanadi Suranayaka Pujan, even Brahma, who himself is seated on a lotus, worship her. Padmam Kushadhvaja, so she is seated on a lotus and she has a flag. Dhvaja means flag. Sudarshana Lanchanadhyam. Okay. So this shlokam basically describes Ambal's feet. Pratar, roll your tongue for ir, namami. Me has to be short. Lalita ta, charanara bhakteshta dana niratam. Means she is grantor of boons and wishes to all her devotees. Bhava sindhu potam. Padma, it's not pad, hold the id, ma, sanasi. Sanadi, Padma Sanadi, Suranayaka Pujaniyam. So she is worthy of all our worship. Even Brahma worships her. Padma Kushad, hold the id for Dhvaja. Padma Kushad Dhvaja, Sudarshana Lanchanadhyam. I'll chant it one more time. Pratar namami lalita charanarvindam bhakteштадана niratam bhava sindhu potam padmasanadi suranayaka pujaniyam padmankushadhvaja sudarshana lanchanadhyam. Let's move on to the next shloka. Shloka number 4. Pratastuve parashivam lalitam bhavanim trayantavedya vibhavam karunanavadyam vishvasya srishti vilayasthiti hetu bhutam Vishveshwarim Nigamavang Manasati Duram. This shloka sings praises about Lalita Devi. Pratas Stuve. O Lalitambal, early in the morning, I want to sing your praises. Stuve. Parashivam Lalitam Bhavanim. Another name, favorite name of hers is Bhavani, which is the female context of Shiva. Trayanta Vedya Vibhava. So this is singing praises. So she is praised as the chief of all the 3 Vedas. Karuna Navadyam. She is full of compassion to her devotees. Vishvasya Srishti Valayasthiti Hetu Bhuta. Vishvasya, she is the very cause of what? Srishti, creation. Vilayasthiti, maintenance. Hetu Bhutam, destruction in this world. Vishveshwarim, she is the Ishwari of the whole world, whole universe. Nigama Vang Manasati Dura, and she is beyond our comprehension, beyond what our manas means mind and mind can comprehend. Basically, she is beyond words and our comprehension. I'll chant it one more time. Pratas, hold the is. Stuve Parashivam. Try to complete the Parashivam. Im has to be fully said. Lalitam Bhavanim. Bhavani, not Bhavanim, Bhavanim. Trayanta Vedya Vibhavam. Trai, hold the ear there. Trayanta Vedya Vibhavam. Karuna Navadyam. Vishwasya, hold the ish, Vishwasya. Srishti Valayasthiti Hetu Bhutam. Vishweshwarim Nigamavang Manasati Dura. She is very far from what our manas or mind can comprehend. Pratastuve Parashivam Lalitam Bhavanim Trayanta Vedya Vibhavam Karunanavadyam Vishwasya Srishti Valayasthiti Hetu Bhutam Vishweshwarim Nigamavang Manasati Duram. We'll move on to the next one, the last Ratnam. Pratar vadami lalite tava punyanama Kameshwariti kamaleti maheshwariti Sri Shambhaviti jagatam janani pareti Vagdevateti vachasat tripureshwariti. This shlokam gets very personal with her. We are able to relate to Ambal, and hence we are calling her with different names. Like we are saying, oh, early in the morning, oh Lalitambal, it is my great punyam to utter your name. I have done some good deed to even utter your name. Hey Lalitambal, you are also known as Kameshwari. Hey Kameshwari, hey Kamala, hey Maheshwari, and she is also known as Shambhavi. Hey Shambhavi, hey Lokamata. She is the Mata for the entire world, all the worlds. Vagdevateti, hey Vagdevi, hey Tripureshwari. Tripureshwari, she is the union of Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati. So we are taking different names of Ambals in this shlokam. This is a very beautiful shlokam, my favorite too. Pratar Vadami. So Pratar Vadami, early in the morning, I pray to you, Lalitambal. I take your name and I pray. Hey Kameshwari, Kameshwariti. So be careful about the ending. Vadami, Kameshwariti, Kamaleti, Maheshwariti. Don't drag the. No, it's not Maheshwariti. Don't drag it. Sri Shambhaviti, Jagatam Janani Pareti. Vagdevateti Vachasat. Hold the it for 3. It's not Vachasa Tripureshwariti. Vachasat Tripureshwariti. The last shlokam is optional and it is Phalashruti. It describes the benefits of chanting Lalita Pancharatnam. Yashloka panchakamidam Lalitambikayaha Saubhagyadam Sulalitam Pathati Prabhate Tasmai Dadati Lalita Jhadite Prasanna Vidyam Shriyam Vimala Saukhyamananta Kirtim. Yashlokam. Panchakam. Which shlokam? Here the reference to the context is this shlokam. Means Lalita Pancharatnam. So the devotees who chant Lalita Pancharatnam, they are very close to Devi's heart. And she grants all the wishes to devotees who seek her. Saubhagyadam Sulalitam Pathati Prabhate. For those people, devotees who read these shlokas, she grants all, she makes all their wishes come true. Tasmai dadati. Dadati means giver. She is the provider of what? Vidyam means knowledge. Shriyam means wisdom. Vimala Saukhyam means Vimalam means Ati means extreme happiness, not the happiness that we get from worldly affairs and things. This is extreme happiness. And Kirtim means fame. She is the grantor of all these benefits. So we completed this learning series. I hope you find this video useful. I have tried to incorporate some of your feedback to the best of my abilities. Please let me know your feedback. It will be nice to receive your comments and likes right under the video, so I know about, I can gauge from the responses that I need to continue similar work. Thank you very much. I would like to chant all the 5 shlokas. Pratasmarami lalitāvadanārabindam bimbādharam prithulamauptika shobhinasam आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यं मन्दस्मितं मृगमदोज्ज्वलभालदेशम् प्रातर्भजामि ललिताभुजकल्पवल्लीं रत्नाङ्गुलीयलसदङ्गुलिपल्लवाढ्यां माणिक्यहेमवलयाङ्गदशोभमानां पुण्ड्रेक्षुचापकुसुमेषु श्रीनिर्दधानाम् प्रातर्नमामि ललिताचरणारविन्दं भक्तेष्टदाननिरतं भवसिन्धुपोतं पद्मासनादिसुरनायकपूजनीयं पद्माङ्कुशध्वजसुदर्शनलाञ्छनाढ्यम् प्रातस्तु वे परशिवां ललितां भवानीं त्रय्यन्तवेद्यविभवां करुणानवध्यां विश्वस्य सृष्टिवलयस्थितिहेतुभूतां विश्वेश्वरीं निगमवाङ्मनसातिदूराम् प्रातर्वदामि ललिते तव पुण्यनाम कामेश्वरीति कमलेति महेश्वरीति श्रीशाम्भवीति जगतां जननी परेति वाग्देवतेति वचसा त्रिपुरेश्वरेति यश्लोकपञ्चकमिदं ललिताम्बिकायाः सौभाग्यदं सुललितं पठति प्रभाते तस्मै ददाति ललिता झटिति प्रसन्ना विद्यां श्रियं विमलसौख्यमनन्तकीर्तिम्